I'm a supply chain nerd, and one of the reasons, and I suspect this is the reason for a lot of people in the space, is that it's just replete with examples of like the butterfly effect, where you make one tiny tweak upstream, and suddenly, just because the economies of scale are so large, the outcome of those tiny changes can be massive. We have a large department store customer that's fairly e-commerce focused. They were using our API to generate packing instructions, and they're really happy with it, but they got curious about what would happen if they profile items a little bit more precisely. And so they asked the folks that were measuring SKUs as they were coming in the door, every kind of sweater you have, just flag it as a soft good with these tiny little tweaks. And what that allowed our algorithm to do was save 10% of cubic volume in the kind of automated packing decisions. And so the effect was $1.7 million saved over the following year. Just for tweaking that one thing, recognizing that a sweater is slightly squishy can save you $1.7 million. So there's a ton of stories like that of just spending a little bit of time being curious about what the opportunities are in parcel packing. It's pretty outstanding.